How to change date and time zone of your Facebook page. It's quite simple, and changing the date or time zone allows different people from different time zones to view your content at the same time, so it will increase your engagement as well. So let's see how you can do it. First, open your Facebook, and once you are here, tap on the three dots. From here, if you have your page, it will show up like this, the switch bot option. You can just tap on it to switch to your page account. And once you are here, tap on the hamburger menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and go to your settings. And from here, you can see there is an option of language and region under preferences. So just tap on it. And when you open language and region, something like this should appear. And as you can see, there is an option to change region format for dates, times, and numbers. From there, you can edit your time zone and you will be good to go. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.